Hello everybody, I got a new package today from Wish.com, something I've been looking forward to. Here's the package. And some dirt on the... Is that... Oh, well, yeah, I think it's a lens flare. Probably not. So let's unbox this box. Yay, check this out. This is a outdoor vest. It's called, I think. From Wish.com. See? Oh, this looks really nice. I can say. Can you see it? Oh, yeah, well. So let's see here. Just have the... It's really hard to see. I'm getting a lot of shadow in the... Yeah, here's a pocket. This deep. There's just pockets on both sides. See how the zippers are up to snuff. Yeah, the zippers are working. They're sort of placed in the middle, like, yeah. Uh-oh. Okay, there's a process. Couple of pockets here. Another pocket there. We can put some, have some box with lures here, and something there, and knife here, phone there. Yeah, and it's the same thing on the other side. Okay. Something. Deep pocket here. We like, and this pocket's huge, man. Yeah, it's nice. And here are some small bags there, or I mean pockets. Put stuff in there. Look, here's the back side. I'm thinking maybe I don't know what to put in here. Maybe nothing. So it's a big ass pocket there, man. Here's also like thing. Yeah, so this is the outdoor vest. Looks nice, doesn't it? Plus there, you can have some carbine hooks there. Yeah. Let's try it on. Now let's go check myself in the mirror. So at the mask, there's my... Yeah, whatever. Yeah. Yeah, obviously I have the camera on, but this fits perfectly on around my fat belly, you know. Maybe it's hard for you to tell how it looks, but I'm happy. This is a good product. I'm putting the link in the description for you. And yeah, this is a short video. Hope it makes sense. And happy. Oh, sorry about that. And good luck with your fishing. Do like this video and subscribe. And yeah, keep subscribing, and you'll be, and if you push the bell icon, you get notifications on new videos. So yeah, thumbs up for a nice rest, and happy angling.